Newark Valley Science Department. Welcome to the 2020 virtual open house, and we welcome our newest member, Mr. Cornell, and Science.
Hi, I'm Mickey Roberts, and I'm the 8th grade science teacher. This year we're going to do a lot of chemistry and physics activities. If you need to contact me at all, you can either message me through Schoology, or you can send me an email at mroberts@nvcs.steer.org. I look forward to having all of your kids this year, and I can't wait to see how it goes.
Hi, I'm Cody Cornell, teach 9th grade Earth Science here at Newark Valley High School. The best way to get a hold of me is you can either message me on Schoology, or you can send me an email at ccornell@nvcs.steer.org. And I look forward to a great year with your students. We're going to talk about rocks, minerals, plate tectonics, as my shirt would say. And it's going to be lots of fun, and I can't wait to get to know your student.
Hey everybody, my name is Christina Costa. I teach Foundations of Biology 1 and 2, as well as AP Biology and all the associated labs. The best way to contact me is to message me directly through Schoology, or you can email me at my school email, ccosta@nvcs.steer.org. Alright, I'm looking forward to a great year, guys. See you later.
Hi, my name is Peck. I teach biology and biology lab. If you need to get in contact with me, you could contact me through Schoology, message me through Schoology, or my email is pbeck@nvcs.steer.org. Looking forward to a wonderful year.
Hi, I'm Stanko. I teach chemistry here at the high school. My contact information is astanko@nvcs.steer.org. I'm looking forward to a great year with the students, and if you need to contact me besides my email, you can also message me on Schoology.
Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Dougherty. Everybody calls me Mr. D. Here in the science department, I teach real-world physics and regions physics. And in physics, we try to explore our world, understand our universe, and apply mathematical models to that information. If you need to contact me, please feel free to do so through the school website. My email is sdougherty@nvcs.steer.org.